So, hey guys, it's me Paul and I'm back. So, in our last video, I showed you the basics of HTML, the common mm, commands we use, such as the heading tags, H1, paragraph tags, the P, italics, underline, bolding, and the breakings. Alright, so this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use this in, like, okay, let's say we want to create, okay, like a composition about yourself. All right, but before that, I want to show you how to add image and videos on your computer or on your Visual Studio Code. All right, now let's do this. So in order for you to add your image is easy. You're just gonna write the img, then you see this prt image slc equals to, here you're gonna put full stop forward slash. But before that, you have to first extract your the image you want to use. So let's just create a new folder. Let's name it image. Then you open your file or um wherever your images are. All right, so here are my images. All right, okay, let me just use this. Right, then you drop it inside the, all right, they will drop it inside the folder you created, the image folder. All right, so after I've done that, you come back here, then full stop forward slash, it brings out the folder you just created, the image folder. Then you click on it. Now let's open, okay, yeah, this place is for, let's say the image doesn't show, and then this place is what it describes the image. Let's say um anime girl. All right, now let's open this as live server. All right, so um as it's doing this, well, you can see, um before we continue, I'm going to show you how to also add video and audio, the video and audio elements. All right, now let's check this if it shows. So this is it. This is the image we just added right now. All right, okay, so I'm going to be splitting my screen right now so you can see what I'm doing. All right, this is the image we just added. So let's say we take this away. See, it's not there again, but we added the image, and this is the image. All right, now the next thing we're going to now to we want to learn how to do is to add the video element. The video element, so that is the right video. Then you see the same add slc. So you go back to your file explorer and look for any video you have. All right, so I'm going to be using this. Hmm? Then you copy it inside that new, or it will be better if you create a new folder for videos so it doesn't um so you can know where it is. All right, nice. Now that we've created this, um we're going to be writing our full stop forward slash again. Then you see image my website, and click on where you added the video, and then click on it. So as you can see, the video has added, but it is not showing in video form. It is showing as a picture. Right, let me show you well. It's showing as a picture, it's not showing, it's not playing in video. So the reason is because we have not added the control element. So um we're going to add in controls, and now you can see that it plays, right? You can see that it's
だいぶ
playing.
元気になったみたいだね。
So
みつき、
if you don't add the control element, these controls here, it doesn't play. It just appears in picture form, as you can see. But let's add it, the controls element. All right. Now that we are done with that, I'm going to be showing you the audio element. All right, the audio element. That is the audio. Then let's see. Do I have an audio here? Okay. Um, yeah, I don't think I've gotten. Okay, so because I don't have an audio here, I'm gonna be using video. It's still going to be the same thing, but it's not gonna be showing. So let's use this. I'm gonna create a new folder, a new folder. And let's name it audio. Then you put it inside of it. All right. Now that we've done that, let's go back here. Now in this place, full stop forward slash again, then here. All right. As you can see, it is showing here as, all right. Okay, where is
だい
it?
ぶ元気になったみたいだね。
Sorry. Um, it is okay. We have not added our controls yet. We're gonna have our controls too. Our controls so that it can play. So this is the audio here. Well,
だいぶ元気になったみたい
this
だ
is
ね。
the audio. So I guess we've learned something today. Yeah, we learned how to add an image,
だいぶ元気になったみ
video,
たいだね。
and also audio.
みつき、
Well, I guess that will be all for now. Well, goodbye for now. Bye.